Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 11 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. First of all, we have to make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is of course required to download something, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, and then we can enter the Play Store. Of course you will have to log in, and after that just tap on the circle in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. As you can see here, we've got the list of currently installed apps, and to check the updates, we have to just tap on Updates Available. In my case, I've got only 4 different apps, so all you have to do in order to update the app is to mark it. And after marking, we've got this kind of new panel, so we can mark all of them. You can mark only 1, 2, 5, whatever you need. And then after marking them, just tap on this update icon. And as you can see, the update will be downloaded, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.